A trailing stop loss on Binance Spot Trading is a dynamic order designed to help traders lock in profits while minimizing potential losses. It automatically adjusts the stop price at a set percentage away from the market price, moving favorably with the market but remaining static when the market moves against the position. How it works: for a long position, as the market price increases, the trailing stop price rises accordingly, maintaining the set percentage distance. If the price decreases by the specified trading percentage from its peak, a sell order is triggered at the limit price. For a short position, as the market price decreases, the trailing stop price decreases, keeping the set percentage distance. If the price increases by the specified trading percentage from its lowest point, a buy order is triggered at the limit price. Navigate through the trading interface. Log into your Binance account. Select the desired trading pair. Access the trailing stop order option. In the trading interface, locate the order options and select trailing stop. Configure the order parameters. Activation price: the price level that activates the trailing stop order. If not set, the current market price is used by default. Trailing delta: the percentage or fixed amount distance between the market price and the trailing stop price. This determines how closely the stop price follows the market price. Limit price: the price at which the order will be executed once the stop price is reached. Confirm the order. Review all parameters to ensure they align with your trading strategy. Submit the order to activate the trailing stop.